so engrossed in the question answer session that I forgot some of the main points of my speech. So I brought this piece of paper. What do these people have in common? Postmaster Sadil, Postmaster Farooq, Postmaster Shuja, and George W. Bush. All of them were present in my last speech, except George W. Bush. Hello, Toastmaster, and distinguished guests, good evening. I want to ask you one question. How many of you want to succeed in your life? Please raise your hands. Oh, wow. So many hands. That is why we are here.
I have already succeeded.
So, okay, we will follow you. Fellow Toastmasters, to succeed in life, we need motivation. Motivation plays an important role in our life. It generates from the desire of the success, because everyone wants to succeed in his life. Otherwise, there will be little pride in our life with no enjoyment. The motivation is like a spark in our life. In other words, we can say it's accelerator in a motor car. You know, the accelerator keeps the pace of the moving vehicle. The more you will push, the more speed you will gain. So, without motivation, our life will be like a lopsided wheel giving bumpy ride. Fellow Toastmasters, motivation may be of two types: external motivation, internal motivation. External motivation may be fear or tension. A company wanted to put a pension plan for its employees. The pension plan was in the best use of everyone, but the condition was that there should be 100% participation from the employees. Everyone signed the plan, enrolled into the pension plan, but except John. The John refusal to sign was the main obstacle. John's supervisor, his co-workers tried to convince him, but he didn't listen to anyone. Then, finally, owner of the company called John in his office and said, "John, this is the pen and these are the papers. You have to enroll, you have to sign these papers, otherwise you will be fired this moment." To the surprise of the owner, John signed the paper. Owner asked him, "John, why? You did not sign it before." He said, "Sir, nobody explained me the job so clearly as you did." Fellow Toastmasters, I asked someone, "When did you start working here seriously?" He replied, "Whenever they threatened to fire me." True, sometimes we were better intention. As far as this internal motivation is concerned, it comes from within ourselves. It's a pride or a sense of achievement or responsibility. There was a young boy who used to come regularly for soccer practice, and during the practice, his father used to sit at the far end of the field waiting for him. But young boy never made to the first 11 team of this club. And the matches began, and for 4 days boy did not show up. After 4 days, there was a final match. Before that, there was lot of practice, quarter final, semi-final. He did not come. He came on the final day, final match day, and went straight to the coach. And he pleaded, "Coach, I want to play." And he said, "My son, I cannot allow you to play. There are better players." He said, "No, I want to play." He said, "You didn't come for last 4 days. You haven't done the practice." He said, "No, I want to play. I beg of you, please, allow me to play." Coach had never seen him play like this. So he said, "Go, son, play, but don't let me down." The boy played like a house of fire. Whenever he got the ball, he converted into goal. He scored many goals, got a very good win for his team, and he was the star of the match. The match finished. Coach approached to him. He asked, "Son, why have you been so wrong about my own decision? Today you played very well." He said, "Coach, today my father was watching me." Coach turned to the place where his father used to sit. He said, "I know your father used to sit there, but there is nobody." He said, "Coach, there is one thing I did not tell you. My father was a blind man. And just 4 days ago, he died. Today was the first day he was watching me." That was the internal motivation. The boy could not afford to dishearten his father. We have to adopt motivation in our life, in our club, in our everyday life. And I assure that just a thank you note, a few words of appreciation to a new member can enhance his boost, his confidence, and it will bring many colors to our club on national and international basis. Mr. Postmaster of the Day.